Changing the audio language on YouTube TV is simple, and it's especially useful when a show or movie offers multiple language tracks. Here's how to switch the audio language on any device. Step 1. Play a video open YouTube TV on your phone, smart TV, or computer. Start playing any video because audio settings only appear when something is actively playing. Step 2. Open the video controls on a smart TV. Press the up or OK button on your remote. On mobile, tap the screen. On a web browser, move your mouse over the video. This will bring up the player controls. Step 3. Open Audio Settings, select the settings icon. Look for an option labeled Audio Track, Language, or Audio Options. This menu will only appear if that specific show or channel supports multiple audio languages. You'll now see a list of available audio tracks such as English, Spanish, English with audio description, Spanish SAP. Select the language you want. The audio will switch immediately without pausing the video. If you don't see any audio options, make sure the YouTube TV app is updated. Try another channel, since not all networks offer alternate audio. Restart your device to refresh the player. For sports and news channels, SAP may provide alternate commentary or descriptive audio. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.